Hello and welcome to another Bleistift video, and today I want to show you another brass pencil. A solid brass heavy metal mechanical pencil from Dixon. I bought it maybe half a year ago and I paid a bit more than £20, but I noticed that at the moment some shops sell all three pencils from the series for around £20. It comes with some care instructions, and here's the pen itself. It looks rather unusual, in a sense that the button you press is quite thin and narrow. It's kind of knurled. It's obviously, with this being a brass pencil, is quite heavy. And at the moment it doesn't work. Let's have a look. What could be the issue? Yeah. Okay. Okay, here we are, working now. So, we got the Dixon brass pencil. There, like I said, there's three different versions. They're 0.5 millimeter, and the mechanism, as you might have seen before, the fact that it didn't work is down to me having tried to take the mechanism out earlier. The mechanism here that is being used is from Schmidt. If you follow my blog and my videos, then you might have seen my review of the Monami pen. I think the Monami pen, I got it from Cult Pens and I gave it away. I think it was for World Mechanical Pencil Day, so it was either a giveaway on my blog or it was a giveaway for the stationary Wiki mechanical pencil contest. It had a very similar mechanism. Schmidt makes different mechanisms like this, depending on what kind of push mechanism you have. So in this case, this is integrated into this pencil, and Dixon has their own end bit here that then becomes the push button to advance the lead. I took it out earlier to see whether I can put it in my Städler concrete. I'll talk about the Städler concrete another time. Don't want to mix up too many things here. Okay, the big question for me here is whether this brass has lead in it. Because to make brass easier to machine, it used to have lead in it. And lead, the real lead, not like the graphite lead, the real lead is not very healthy for you. In fact, a few years ago, California introduced some sort of law or rule that had to do with lead in products, and that led to many of the German manufacturers that made brass sharpeners and so on to stop selling them in California. I think because it would be too difficult to get all the paperwork right. Around the time Michael, from the Just Another Pen blog, got some samples from Kaweco, and I asked, it was a brass pen, I asked about the lead content, and he had a good link to Kaweco itself, to Michael Goodbarlett at Kaweco, and he asked for me, and basically at the time then the talk was about eco brass, which I think they could get from Italy, which is more expensive but doesn't have lead in it, and is still, I guess, okay to machine. And since there was this communication with Michael Goodbarlett from Kaweco, and since I pointed this lead issue out, they changed all their brass to be eco brass, to be lead free. But with this pencil from Tom Dixon, I'm not sure whether there's lead in it or not. I think this model came out roughly 2014, but like I said, there's 3 different versions. This is the most normal looking one. One is quite small, gets quite thick in the middle, this kind of shape. You can look them up on the web. Okay, so let's get some data onto my little card here. This is my mechanical pencil database. All the data that feeds into the database that I put on GitHub. So let's get some measurements. I'll try to hurry because I don't want to bore you. Let's try with the diameter. 9.8. Let's try again, just so that we make sure I didn't make a mistake. And body and grip diameter, this thing is kind of, that has the same diameter all the way through. So weight. Let's have a look at the weight. Oi, 40.5 gram. That's quite heavy. That's including the lead. Let's compare that, for example, to Kaweco. This is the lead holder. It's slightly heavier than the mechanical pencil, which is a bit above 30 grams. Not sure whether that's easy to see. Let's compare it with a normal mechanical pencil. 13 grams. So 13. Here we got 32. But this one had 40 grams, so much heavier than usual. Let's check the length. Let's detect the lead first. Was that the number? Let's check again. Yeah. Wait. So, eraser, no. Clutch mechanism. Yeah, it's whatever Schmidt's mechanism is. So this is probably difficult to see. It seems to be brass or certainly metal, and it has 3 jaws. Yeah, let's look again. Which specific model is this? This is the DSM 2006. Okay, specialty. Brass. Heavy. Price. I paid a bit more than £20. They usually sell for 20 to £35. So body made in China. Mechanism made in Germany. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.